Now it's Shomorodov. Oh, he's having a go! Now he's got space here. Shomorodov! Time is up. Uzbekistan have laid claim to one of the most exclusive in rights in football.
Hayotda tezroq natijaga erishishimiz uchun bizdan oldin qilib o'tgan, mana shu ishni bizdan oldin qilgan odamlar qanday yo'l bilan tezroq erishgan bo'lsa, o'sha yo'lni tanlab yursak, shunga harakat qilsak, biz o'sha natijaga tezroq erishishimiz mumkin. Mana shu suratlardan ko'rib turganingizdek. Ertangi bo'ladigan O'zbekiston-Portugaliya o'yinida xuddi mana shunday ularning eng zo'r bo'lgan Ronaldoni biz har tomonlama o'sha himoya qilib tursak, ya'ni to'p unga yetib kelmasa, mutlaqo biz 100% g'olib bo'lamiz. Va yana bir narsa odamni salgina bo'lsa ham o'sha nima tinchlantiradiki, bizda Husanov bor. Ronaldo qanchalik zo'r bo'lmasin, Husanovdan o'ta olmaydi. Jahon chempionatida biz o'sha birinchi o'yinda mag'lub bo'lsak ham, lekin bizga o'zbeklarga juda ham ko'p qulayliklarni va juda ko'p odamlarga O'zbekistonning kimligini bildirib qo'ydi futbolchilarimiz. Va e'tibor qiling, mana shu jahon chempionati doirasida stadionda boyagi bolachaning yig'laganiga juda ko'pchilik reaksiya bildirdi va bu ko'plab o'sha chet el davlatlarida, Amerika davlatlarida o'zlarini o'sha televideniyalarda ko'rsatildi. Ota-onasiga ham juda ko'p savollar, kollaboratsiya video qilaylik, bu degan gaplar juda ko'p bo'lgan va o'zbekistonlik o'sha futbolchilar bilan ham u bolani o'sha maydonda ko'rishtirdi, rasmlar, videolar bo'ldi. Xo'p, bundan tashqari e'tibor qiling, o'sha stadionda har doim masalan osiyolik o'yinchilarni krupniy ekranda ko'rsatmaydi deb juda ko'p muhokama bo'lardi, ya'ni tabaqalashtirish degan nimasi bor edi. Va mana shu jahon chempionati o'sha begona odamlarni O'zbekistonda baqirtirishiga, o'sha bolani xursand qilish uchun O'zbekistonda baqirtirdi. Men demoqchimanki, ular aslida unday sanamas ekan. O'sha televideniya sohasida, media sohasida ishlaydiganlar, ular chet elliklar, ular shunday hisobiga, ya'ni mashhur bo'lmasin bular deb ularni yuzlarini kamroq ko'rsatargan. Va bunda ko'rib turibmizki, aslida hamma odam unday emas. Butun o'sha chet el davlat odamlari O'zbekistonni baqirib turibdi. Undan keyin juda ko'p joylarda mana shu blogerlar O'zbekiston bayrog'ini ko'rsatib so'ragan videolari bor edi. Instagramlarda hech kim tanimasdi. Pokiston deydi, kimdir Hindiston deydi, yana kimdir Afg'oniston deydi. O'shanday qilib chalkashtirib, masalan, Osiyo davlatlarini, o'zimizda qarindosh davlatlarni Qozog'iston, Qirg'iziston, Tojikiston deb almashtirib, aylantirib tashlardi. Mana endi bittada O'zbekiston deb bayroqdan taniydigan bo'lishdi. Va yana bir narsaga e'tibor qildim. Hozirgi kunda mobil telefonlar o'yindagi bu reklama emas, prosta telefondagi o'sha o'yinlarda ham O'zbekiston nimasi qo'yilgan va o'sha jahon chempionati turniri bor ekan o'yinning ichida va o'yin bo'layapti. O'yinni yutganda o'zimizda Husanovni yuzidan tanisangiz bo'lar, o'yin davomida Eldor Shomurodovni, Abbosbek Fayzullayevni yuzlarini o'xshatib qo'ygan. O'sha o'yindagi personajlar yuzlari o'xshaydi va tomoshabinlar ham bayroqlar, O'zbekiston bayroqlari ko'tarilgan va bu yerda bayroqlar bor, odamlar baqirgan, o'sha juda nimani bergan. Mana shu jahon chempionati bizga shuncha narsa beryapti va bunda hali biz bitta o'yin o'tkazdik. Agar bu o'yinda Portugaliyani yutib ko'rsatsak, Xudo xohlasa, juda ko'p davlatlarga o'zimizning kimligimizni bildirib qo'yamiz va shu qatorda mana shu turkiy davlatlarni, musulmon davlatlarni ham bir marta ularni oldida boyagidek media sohasida ishlaydiganlar bizni bas qiladigan bo'lsa, ularni oldida ham bir marta ko'rsatib qo'yardik kimligimizni va bundan Xudodan so'rab turamiz, duodamiz har doim mana shu O'zbekiston Portugaliyani yutishiga men ishonaman. Va meni taxminim 2-1 O'zbekiston g'alabasi bilan 2-1 bo'ladi. Sizlar ham kommentariyaga o'zingizni fikringizni yozib ketingchi, necha bo'ladi o'yinda, O'zbekiston Portugaliya o'yinida. Ma'lumot uchun ertaga, ya'ni 23-kuni 22:00 da bo'lib o'tadi. O'zbekiston vaqti bilan 22:00 da boshlanadi. Demak, aziz obunachilar, bizda hozircha mana shu gaplar. hammadan duo, hammadan kommentariy kutib qolamiz. O'yinga hammamiz bolid qilamiz, xudo xolasa. Bu Elyor To'xtarovni o'sha vlog kanali. Bunda unchalik qimmatli ma'lumotlar bo'lmasa ham, mana shunday chiroyli dildan suhbat qilib o'tiramiz obunachilarimiz bilan. Shunday ekan, bu kanalda ham qo'llab-quvvatlaysizlar degan umiddaman. Hammaga rahmat. Ertaga zo'r kayfiyatda mana shunday efirda ko'rishamiz degan umiddaman. Agar ertaga efir qilishim ham mumkin, bizni musofirda ko'rib turganlar bo'lsa, bu kanal rivoji uchun juda ham qiyin bo'ladi, lekin harakat qilaman o'sha o'yinda eng qiziq joylarini yoki bo'lmasa hisoblarni shu onlayn birdan aytib turishga. Hammaga rahmat, sog' bo'linglar, salomat bo'linglar, kanalga obuna bo'linglar.
Now it's Shomurodov. Oh, he's having a go! And the skipper leads the way. Captain, leader, goal scorer.
Well, that's exactly what you expect from the man with the armband. A leader from the front. Fantastic.
The goal scorer for Uzbekistan. Perfect placement. The one place the keeper couldn't reach.
That's just a fabulous, fabulous finish. Anything that close to the frame of the goal, 99 times out of 100, the keeper's not getting there.
Plays it through. Rafael Leao in acres of space out wide. Chance for a shot! And he can thump it away. That's rather hopeful. And again! Good try, very good try in fact. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. Now he's got space here. Shomurodov! Oh, that is outstanding! He's got himself an absolute peach. And this is getting better and better.
The goal scorer for Uzbekistan.
That's wonderfully done. Crisp hit, true finish.
There you go. That's what happens when you've got top-class talent.
And he's done it again. He's got his second. Going to make it. Vitinha. And he's decided to go for it. And the goalkeeper watches it past.
No, it's a fair attempt. I think he felt he could line one up there. The odds were...
Chance! Yes! And they are disappearing out of sight. And that is a genuine ground-eat-me-up moment.
Well, you've got to give him credit for pressing so quickly there.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
This is such a dominant performance. The defence are sick of the sight of him, but he doesn't look finished just yet.
Pedro Neto picks it up out wide. And time is up. Uzbekistan have laid claim to one of the most exclusive invites in football. They are into the knockout stage. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Early qualification is always a good bonus. They've shown resilience and strength and have all the essentials to go on a lengthy cup run. It's all looking pretty good for them.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy steppin', yeah, I'm country boy steppin'. Country boy steppin', yeah, I'm country boy steppin'. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, rolling like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang.